viewers and subscribers. Yeah, it's one of them days, man. Yeah, I came into Georgia this morning, and on the left side of the highway, that's how I came in, just traffic. And see, I'm trying to get out, and it's the same thing. This type of driving I don't like at all in a truck, not even in a car. If I had a motorcycle, I don't mind, because I ride down the center in between the lanes. However, this is annoying, man. This is very annoying, people. I went to pick the load up. I got there at 11. It's 4 o'clock now. And I left there about an hour ago, so you do the math. Yeah, I was sitting there all that time. I have no idea what they're doing. However, like I told them, if I knew it was this place, I would have rejected that load, because I picked up from this place once before, and it took about 6 hours. This is supposed to be a drop and hook. I'm just supposed to go there, hook up to my trailer, and leave. However, I had to do a live load because I don't even know what to say. I don't know. And when you're in this area at this time, yeah, this is what's gonna happen. Traffic's gonna bog you down, because there's so many freaking cars and roads down here. There's freaking roads going everywhere. And look at this, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 highway lanes, right? And then over there they got an express lane, so that's 6. So altogether there's 6 lanes of highway right here. And it's still filled with traffic. Yeah, people, it's still full of traffic as far as your eyes can see, forwards and behind. Yeah, man. I know how people want to live at them places. Jaja know. I have to put up with this every day back and forth to work. I'll pass. Give me a helicopter or a hovercraft or some type of, you know, those flying cars. Yeah, I'll take it on. Nah, man, this is too much. This is way too much.
2 miles ahead, stay on I-85 north as it bears right.
And yeah, people, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also leave a comment, man. Yeah, positive or negative comments. And remember, everyone, subscription is free. Alright? They're not going to charge you anything to hit the subscribe button. It's free of charge. Yeah, so don't worry about being charged for your subscription to my channel. There's no fee to subscribe. Only a thumb pressing the button. That's it. The only fee is your thumb pressing subscribe and hitting the notification bell. That is it, people. Traffic in Georgia, people. I'm outside of Atlanta now, though. That was the worst. Imagine like maybe an hour from now when everybody gets off work at 5 o'clock. So couldn't live down at them places, people. If I live here and I gotta go to work, travel back and forth, yeah, I gotta own a motorcycle. There's no way I'm gonna be sitting down in this traffic. I just drive down the white line. Go about my business. don't gotta be sitting here holding up.
You have received a new message.
And new message, old message. Still gotta drive. Can't look at new message or old message until I stop. So it's whatever. Whatever. Exit navigator. Only 1 more mile is here.
1 mile ahead. Stay on I-85 north as it bears right.
This is bananas. I'm going to take another load coming back down here. Yeah, for sure. I don't think I'm taking another one. At least not back to this place where I just came from. Shit is crazy.
Stay on I-85 north as it bears right.
These neighborhoods down here must be like super crowded, like Brooklyn, New York or some shit like that. The only place I see traffic like this is New York.
Stay on I-85 north as it bears right.
The only place I see traffic like this is New York. This shit is outrageous.
145 miles ahead. Take exit 69 to I-85 Business North Veterans Parkway.
Yeah, this thing is telling you to stay on I-85 as it bears north or as it bears right. Like, did you see me turn nowhere? Yeah, it's doing that because you could get on that express lane over there. Yeah. Oh yeah, people, did y'all know, right? Let me say this. Did y'all know on the highways nowadays they have, you know, express lanes where if the speed limit is 55 in the express lane, you can do 65, and in some places you're doing 70. Yeah, that's how they make the highways nowadays. So basically, if you don't have the money to drive in the fast lane, look at the boys over there. If you don't have the money to drive in the fast lane, you're gonna be over here with the rest of the poor people. Yeah, there's classism in on the highways now. But if you got money to spend like that,